You know, it never fails. I do a lot of home improvement projects, and every time I do something, Tom, I forget a washer or I forget a screw that I need, and it's a million trips to and from the store. How can RockAuto prevent that when it comes to car projects?
Well, yeah, even if you've done the repair before, it might be a little different. On a different car, there's different parts required, and you get halfway into the project and you discover you need something else, and you're tempted to well, let's reuse this one old part, and then like with a belt, you're going to wear out the belt faster if you don't replace the pulleys and tensioners that particular car needs. So what we've done, and a lot of manufacturers have done, is come up with kits. So all the parts are there. Front end is a good example. They vary a lot between the models, and everything's usually wearing evenly. So you get a kit that has the ball joints, the control arms, the tie rods, everything you need to completely redo the front end so you can get an alignment right, it'll handle right, and all in one kit.
And you're disassembling it anyway, you might as well just do the whole thing and do it right.
Right, yeah, reinstall some rusty bent old part doesn't make any sense. And we've come up with some kits you might not have thought of, like our mirror kits. These mirrors on modern SUVs stick out really far. If you measure the width of these cars, including the mirrors, they're wider than what we call land yachts from the 60s and 70s.
Which is hard to believe, yeah.
Yeah. So you're in the parking lot or changing lanes or something, these mirrors collide and break off frequently. And so we thought, well, okay, we'll come up with a kit. So instead of, okay, do I get a new mirror and then pair it with my old weathered, if it's black, it's turned gray, or if one mirror is painted and one mirror is not, do I try to paint them to match? We came up with kits so you get 2 new mirrors that match perfectly. These are typically easy to install, just 3 nuts and an electrical connector. They're not hard to install, so you install 2 mirrors, the car looks fresh and ready to go.
One of the things I love about RockAuto.com also, Tom, is you guys have a lot of instructional videos, and a lot of these repairs aren't as hard as you think. Go check it out at RockAuto.com. That's also where you will find all the parts your car will ever need.